Hello again, Noel with HomeQwik. Thanks for taking another look at our web series. Today I want to talk to you about the move-in and the move-out process for your rental property. Most important thing going in and going out is documentation. If you show up in court and you try to show a judge a list of items and you don't have pictures, you don't have a video, you don't have dates, you don't have receipts, you're going to lose. Not only do you want to protect your home, but you also need to protect the tenant's rights and their money. Security deposit is always their money. That's what you'll be arguing about when they move out. So when they move in, you want to have just as good of an inspection as when they're going to leave. So you want to have a video, pictures, document everything that you can find wrong with the property. A crack in the tile, a dent in the wall, do all of the burners work on the stove? Is there screens on every window? All of this kind of stuff should be documented. That way when they move out, you can compare that move-in checklist to the move-out checklist. It's really hard for a tenant or a judge, or really anyone for that matter, to argue documented pictures with dates, a comprehensive list, and especially a video. A video is great. Again, you're going to do this for your benefit and for your tenant's benefit, because really it's their money. Everybody wants to get in and out of this relationship on a happy note. And you don't want to be battling in court over the cost to do repairs. We also require our tenants to do specific things when they leave, such as cleaning the carpets, providing receipts for that. Note that if you ever charge a tenant for work after they've left, for instance, cleaning the carpets, you do need to have a receipt that you actually use their security deposit money for that work. So make sure that you're doing that. Okay, so not only do you want to make sure you've got a checklist, you've got your pictures, you've got your video, make your tenants give you their version, at least at a minimum, their move-in checklist. You want to get something from them in writing stating that they took the house as is, but here's the items that they noticed that were a problem. Anything that wasn't working, anything that was damaged, you really want to get their opinion too, so that you know up front what they saw and what they're covering themselves for when they move out. So again, this and any other questions, ask a professional. You can always call us. We are always available here at HomeQwik.com.
Renderforce.com